Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you guys can log into your FNB account. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So first of all, what an FNB is, it is a First National Bank, and to log into its online account you can just go to your browser and type FNB login. If you type FNB login, you can go to this website called www.fnb.co.za. Click on it. It's going to take you to this page. Now it's pretty simple to log in. At the top you guys can see the username and password section where you guys can enter your username and password. Enter your account's username over here and the password over here, and after you enter the username and password you can just click on login and you should be able to log into your account if you entered a correct username and password. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.